Alright, I just got two new packages in the mail past 2 days. I got one from Silver Bullet, Silver Shield, and I got another from Provident Metals. So I'm just gonna unbox them. This one's from Provident Metals. This one came really quick. So pretty happy with that. Got my airtights. More airtights. I think I know these are so I got some copper coins. I think these are the Ron Paul copper coins I ordered. This is all the silver. So. Here's the Ron Paul proof. Looks pretty nice. Wow, look at that. These are my koalas. Just have to rip it open. Oh, these are the kookaburras. These are really nice. I'm glad I ordered these. These are the dragon. Generic mint Year of the Dragon. It's not Provident Metals, which that's on my wish list as well. This is the Provident Metal Year of the Snakes. I got the Perth Mint ones coming. Here's are the koalas. Oh. Very nice. See if I can get this open. Nice. Ron Paul copper coin. I got myself a little bit of copper, so that's good. Alright, thanks for watching.